The Anglican Church of St. Mary the Virgin in Croscombe, Somerset, England, is primarily from the 15th and 16th centuries with 19th century restoration. It has been designated as a Grade I listed building.It consists of a nave, chancel and has north and south aisles. The church is unusual in Somerset in having a spire, which rises above a three-stage tower which is supported by diagonal buttresses. St. Mary's includes a peal of 6 bells, the earliest dated 1613, and an organ from 1837. In 1936 the spire was struck by lightning. Repairs entailed its complete removal and reconstruction.The Jacobean interior woodwork including the pulpit and rood screen are of national renown. The pulpit is decorated with the arms of Arthur Lake, who was the Bishop of Bath and Wells in the 17th century. The churchyard contains war graves of 4 service personnel, 1 of World War I and 3 of World War II. The parish is part of the benefice of Pilton with Croscombe, North Wootton and Dinder within the Diocese of Bath and Wells. See also: List of Grade I listed buildings in Mendip, List of towers in Somerset, List of ecclesiastical parishes in the Diocese of Bath and Wells. References